What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So this is my continuous coverage with the Galaxy Note 10. I'm going to talk about a couple of features with this device, and we're going to go over it and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So one of the unique features that Samsung has brought to the table with the Galaxy Note 10 is the native screen recording. Now, you don't have to download any third-party apps anymore. It's embedded in the software. So when you drop down your menu and you find it, it's right there in your drop-down menu. And it has some enhanced features. So when you click on it to start it, it starts your screen recording. And now you can do what's called picture-to-picture, which is nice. So it's using the front-facing camera to see you as you're recording your screen, which is a very dope feature, which I really like. So that is good that Samsung is bringing native screen recording to the Galaxy Note 10. Now, let's go on and talk about the second thing, and that's the camera app. Now, we all know that Samsung has removed Pro Mode out of the video recording app, but it brought in what's called Live Video Focus. Now, this enhanced feature takes the camera to the next level, and it does what's called bokeh effect. Now, it records the person and it blurs out the background, and it takes the person and put it in the foreground. So that is a very unique feature, and I'm excited to try that out as soon as I get my unit of the Galaxy Note 10. And it also have night mode, and it also have pro mode when it comes down to photography. So the enhanced feature that we have here is a live focus video, which I'm very excited to check out. Now, it's only available for when you're focusing on people, not things. So I hope Samsung will kind of figure that out, that we can do the blur effect on objects instead of people. But as of right now, it's only available for people. So some of the unique features using the S Pen, right? And I'm glad that Samsung has enhanced the S Pen, and it gave it some extra features. When you pull out the S Pen, now you have a new design when it comes down to the software. But the S Pen brings in some extra unique features, and it's some remote features that you can press and hold the S Pen to get some extra stuff done here. So one of the unique features of having the S Pen is that when you hold and control it, it opens up the camera app. Now, in this camera app, you can get some stuff done here just by using air commands and air gestures and stuff like that. So when you hold the top portion of the S Pen, you can actually scroll to the left or the right to go to your different modes here with your S Pen. And also you can scroll up and down to get to your front facing camera and your rear camera, which is pretty nice. So you don't have to touch the Galaxy Note 10 to get to your features on your phone. So basically all you got to do is scroll to the right, scroll to the left if you want to get to some of your features using your S Pen. Now, I've used the S Pen a lot when using Microsoft suite of software. You can use the S Pen while PowerPoint presentation, but now in the native camera app, you can use the S Pen to get a lot of work done. Now, so another unique feature that Samsung has brought to the table is a collaboration between Microsoft and Samsung. So basically, you could take your Galaxy Note 10 and plug it up to a Windows PC with your cord in the box via USB Type-C and USB, and now you can mirror your PC and Galaxy Note 10, and now you can get professional work done, and now you will see more of Dex, a scenario on your PC. This is a great thing, the collaboration between Microsoft and Samsung. I got more coverage with the Galaxy Note 10. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 10 in all its glory. I have more to come. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.